Great, great. So this is very common after a significant shift, a release, a healing, a purging, a sort of awakening. There can come times where we have this huge influx of energy, of ecstasy, bliss, drive, motivation. We're very ecstatic, excited. You know, can go all day, work out, then go to the gym, then go to a party, and it's just like you go, go, go. And like you said, maybe we don't need to sleep. Um, this can happen. It's very common with awakening. There's many different ways of looking at it. I'll begin with a grounded, rational perspective. It looks like you've gone manic. It looks like sort of somebody that's needs to get a little bit grounded. And that's how, you know, the scientific people would probably look at it. And I think it's quite reasonable. So looking at it from that perspective, we can say, okay, whether I'm manic or not, I'm acting kind of manic. So I need to temper this with a little bit of mindfulness, a little bit of consciousness. Let's lay down, get a little bit of rest. Let's eat nice, good, hearty meal. Movement is great. And let's not be impulsive with any of our major life decisions, purchases, relationships, etc. Because what happens is we have this huge healing, that awakening that happens sometimes, and we think, oh my God, I'm completely different. I need to make all these changes. And like, you know, you may quit your job on the spot or something. And what happens is, like with, you know, manic depressive symptoms, what goes up must come down. And we come back down and it's like, whoa, what just happened? I don't have my job. I left my relationship. This is generally what people seem to experience during some sort of spiritual emergency, because they have a healing, a release, and it just opens up space within the system for a lot of energy to come through. And it can really be so inspiring. Incredible creativity can come as long as we are able to maintain self-care and move with consciousness. So not impulsively, we'll be okay. And you can enjoy those periods because these are some of the rewards and the greatest parts of the journey, but they can get a little bit tricky at times, because I know, you know, many people just have these huge awakenings and then their life just turned upside down. They try to explain it to somebody and somebody's like, you're messed up, man. And like, uh, you know what I mean? So eating well, getting some rest, even if you don't feel like sleeping, just lay down, rest, move the body, all very good. And generally speaking, and I say this in to anybody, if I mean I haven't drank in a long time, but you know, when you drink, you know, I've had a couple drinks. I shouldn't get behind the wheel. I shouldn't call my ex. I shouldn't call my boss. I'm not in the right state of mind. So you don't do those things and you have fun within what you've know is to be safe, like maybe at the party. Same thing. I'm not grounded right now. I'm in a bit of a weird, excited, amazing place to be. I shouldn't make a huge impulsive decision. It's the same type of attitude that we take to those situations as well. Say you do feel like I've had an awakening, life is different now. I don't want to be at my job. Okay, give it a couple weeks. Then you can make a decision. Just don't do it on the spot. That's all I'm really saying. But yeah, this is what the path is all about. We heal and we tap into some incredible states. And I'm very happy that you've had such an amazing release and transformation. It's